Hello friends, this is Shakeel and today I want to discuss about best AI tools that can be used by working professional. So first tool about which I am going to discuss that is called AI for work. If you need any best output from this tool, you should know how to give the prompt. So the prompt is very important for this tool, same like ChatGPT. You should know how to give the prompt and you will get the result as per your requirement. So you can say that this is the prompt library of ChatGPT. Here you can select your department and select your role in that department. For example, if you are working as a digital marketer, if you are working in a health or as a business expert or anything else, this tool will save you a lot of time and will give you the best output. So another tool about which I am going to discuss, that is called PERPLEXITY. So this tool is an AI search engine where you will get the result as we are using Google. So this tool has real-time data access. Just type anything and the result will be in front of you. And this tool will save your lot of time. You can say that this is the Google. You can type anything whatever you want to, what information you want to know, you can type here and you will get the result as per your requirement. Another tool about which I am going to discuss, that is called napkin.ai. If you are a working professional and have to make lot of PPT presentations, then this tool is the best for you. As we know, in PPT making, a lot of time goes in brainstorming and designing. So this tool will make your boring areas very interesting by adding visuals. We only have to copy the content and paste in it, and as it converts it in visual diagrams or flowcharts, now we can download it in PNG and can we use it in our PPT. So this is the best tool for the working professionals who are mainly using PowerPoint presentations. So another tool about which I am going to discuss, that is called Designer. So this is basically a feature that is inbuilt designed in PPT presentations. When you are making a presentation, our focus should be on the content that we are going to give. It will manage our whole designing within PowerPoint itself. So take the content and go to the designer option and it will give you multiple options, designing options, and from where you can select anyone to design your PPT. So basically this option is used in designing the PowerPoint presentation. Its main work is to design the PPT. After that, another tool about which I am going to discuss, that is called Notebook LM. This is the amazing AI tool. Here you can improve your learning. Suppose we have to read some report and we don't have too much time to read it. Just put the link in it and you can directly chat with it. You can summarize the report. Still, if you have no time, you can create a podcast of that report and two people will be talking about the content of the report. You can listen that podcast even if you are driving. So this is also a very amazing tool. After that, the another tool about which I am going to discuss, that is called suno.ai. Here you can create background music, audio and custom music. As there is no copyright issue, we don't have any copyright issue in this AI tool. You can create the lyrics from the chat GPT and paste it in suno text box. Then here you can also select the style of the music and you can also select the singer, whether it is male or female. Then press the create option and the song will be generated. So this tool is basically used to generate the music, to generate the song. After that, another tool is elicit.ai. This tool is used for research anything like research papers or data. Here you can research on any medicine or any diet plan or any article. So this tool is best for the students and the teachers. Another tool about which I am going to discuss, that is called gamma.ai. This AI tool will help you to make presentations. If you are a student, working professional or a businessman, this is the perfect tool for you. If you want to show presentations but you don't have skills, so there is no issue. just give the content and generate the slides or the presentation. Now in the slides you can drag and drop the text also, and also you can modify the text, and also add, you can also add the images from the Google or from your system, and also you can create the AI images that can be added to the presentation. So this is basically used to make the presentations. After that, another tool about which I am going to discuss, that is called HEYGEN.ai. So this tool is basically the best for businessmen and those people who want to make content and are camera shy. Many people are not interested to show their face on the camera, so they only want to record their voice. So this is the best AI tool for them, and also their voice, they can use their voice, and because if they do not want to show their face, so this is the best tool for them. They can use this tool. Here also you can generate the text to video. So I hope you like the video, you like the information. So try all these tools about which I have discussed with you. So thank you very much.